Your homework starts off with giving you an equation, and then they ask you to graph the equation. Now, graphing the equation is easy if you don't make a mistake on the parts of the circle, okay? So we have x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 10. So in the equation, that minus sign means opposite of. So the center is going to be the opposite of negative 2 and the opposite of positive 3. So it's 2, negative 3. And we're going to go ahead and plot that 2, negative 3 on the graph. Now let's find the radius. So if this says that 10 equals r squared, how do we get rid of a square? We square root it. So that's 3 point something. Somebody tell me the square root of 10.
Square root of
3.16.
3.16. So the square root of 10 is 3.16. What we're going to do, so the radius is that. You're going to go up a little over 3. You're going to go right a little over 3. You're going to go left a little over 3.
What? I'm lost.
And you're going to go down a little over 3. And you're going to draw your circle. I need 3 answers. I need these 2 pieces of information and then the graph. And you will get a point for each one of those. Whenever you see a plane x squared or a plane y squared, the h, in this case, the center is 0, 0. So on this one, they give you the center is negative 13, negative 1, and they give you the radius is 3. So don't forget to change the sign on the negative 13 and the negative 1 when you put it in. So it's x plus 13 squared plus y plus 1 squared. And then you have to square the radius to get this radius squared, and that equals 9. And that is your final answer.